Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm gonna show you what I will say, and a user-friendly way of taking input of 2D lists. Okay, so it's not very difficult. A 2D list, or you can rather say a matrix. Okay, so let's define it. Huh? So my input. Let's define a function input matrix, input mat, whatever. Okay. Now, what do you say? We'll ask the users the number of ways, number of rows. Okay. We'll ask the user to input the number of rows. Okay. So input. Uh, just wait a minute. Input. Enter the number of rows. Pretty simple, ain't it? Now we need to convert. It's a string, so we need to convert it to integer. Now that's a pretty simple job to accomplish using that int function. So we are done, right? Next, what we need to do, that is, we need to run this loop. Now we need to run a loop, okay, for I in range n, okay. Oh, the most important thing I forgot, almost, that is to declare the matrix itself, right? Say for example here it's x. X is equal to a null list. Okay, let's start. So what should I do first? Now I will declare a string variable. Now the string will, okay, first let me print something. Okay, print a message for the user. Okay, enter the elements of row. What row? It's I plus one number row. Okay, then separate each term of the, okay, row by comma. Okay, okay. I'll tell you later what I'm talking about. Now print, it's done. Next is what s is equal to input. Now we are gonna, no need of writing anything because I've already written. Hmm? Now that's it. So we are taking the input. Now we are gonna edit it. Now see, the user will enter the elements of the row. Each of the element will be separate. Hmm? Separating. See, need to mention here, separating each by comma. Okay, it's now a better deal. Let's see what happens next. So now we are gonna do something like this. Okay, so it's good. Does it look good? Yes, indeed. Now it looks good indeed. Okay, let us see now. Now, what to do next? What do we do next? So we have it. Now we are gonna use that eval function. All right. Now to get the list, no issue. Now we are gonna call that eval function. Now it will be changed to a list. Now we can easily append that x dot append s. Alright, or better to simplify, to reduce one line, I can simply safely write over here. Okay, that reduces a line from my code. Whatever, doesn't matter actually. Okay, hope you understood. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Let's try it. Let's try it. So input mat. Now see, let's try. Okay, now we also have to check whether it's a correct one or not, right? So let's try it for I in X, for J in A, J in I. You know how to print a 2D list. Okay, for the convenience of the user, we are doing so much. Alright, so let's print here J, comma, end is equal to a tab. Then we are gonna leave a line. That's it. That's pretty much it. We will remove these lines, okay? We will remove these all this stuff later. Now, if we don't need them, we will remove them later, okay? Let's try. If it has some errors, we will debug it, okay? So we will do it together. Okay, okay. Now it's okay. Hmm. It looks quite okay. Let's run it. Okay. Number of rows. How many rows? Suppose 3 rows. Now 1, 2, and 3. Next column 4, 5, and 6. Next enter 7, 8, and 9. 7, 8, 10. Whatever. No issue with that. Let's press enter. Let's see. Yes, it works. See what we had intended. Okay, so it happened. So that's all. So we don't need this. This was for our testing. So that's how you can input a 2D list. There are many ways to do that. Many ways to accomplish that. Okay. If you have a better idea, comment. Anyways, thanks for watching. That's it. You will get a PDF as usual.